Hello friends, welcome to my video. Today we'll be diving into a fantastic feature introduced in C# 7.0, that is Digit Separators. These separators are not only incredibly useful but also make your code more readable and maintainable. So before we get started, just a quick reminder to subscribe my channel, hit the red button and don't forget to click on the little bell icon. That way you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, without any further delay, let's get started. C# 7.0 Digit Separator. CSAF 7.0 and later versions enables us to use the underscore character as a digit separator to improve readability of the numeric literals. The underscore can be placed anywhere within the numeric literal except at the beginning or end. It's very important to keep in mind whenever we are going to use the underscore character, it should not be used at the beginning or end. Let's try to understand with the help of examples shown over here. Here, int million is equal to 1 underscore 000 underscore 000. Let's suppose you are working with a large number like 1 million. Instead of writing it as one continuous string of digits, you can use underscore as separators to break it into more manageable groups. That's what I have written 1 underscore 000 underscore 000. Basically, I have divided 000 in two groups, right? That's what I have just separated with the help of digit separator, which is nothing but the underscore over here. So 1 underscore 000 underscore 000. So this way it becomes easier to understand and work with the large number. The underscores are simply ignored by the compiler and have no impact on the actual value. Digit separators are not limited to integers. We can use them with long and floating point numbers as well. That's what I have written. Double pi is equal to 3.14 underscore 15 underscore 92 underscore 65. So I have used this digit separator for the double. Is nothing but the floating point number, right? Similarly, I have used for the long big number is equal to 123 underscore 456 underscore 789 underscore 012 underscore 345. So if you see, we have divided into the 5 groups with the help of digit separator. Is nothing but the underscore over here for the long. Here we have declared and assign the value to it, right? With the help of digit separator. So if you see here, I wrote console.writeline million. So basically in last three statement, what I'm trying to do, I'm just going to print this million pi big number into the console window. And that's what I have written console.writeline million, console.writeline pi, console.writeline big number. If you notice, the underscore are simply ignored by the compiler, have no impact on the actual value. So if you see 1 6 times 0, then output is coming for pi 3.14159265. Similarly, this output for big number, whole big number got printed. There is no underscore in between. Basically, these underscore are getting removed by the compiler and we don't have any impact on the actual value. Okay, let's talk about the benefits of the digit separator. What are those benefits? Readability, improved maintenance, enhanced clarity, alignment with the other programming language. What does it mean by readability? So digit separator make numeric letters more readable by separating groups of the digits. That's what if you see this million, right? I have separated the group of the zeros, right? With the help of underscore, which is nothing but the digit separator. And it is easier to understand and we can analyze the numbers further, right? Okay, second one, improve maintenance. So when we are going to work with the large numeric letters, digit separator can make code maintenance simpler. If we need to modify a number, we can easily identify and modify a specific group of digits without worrying about miscounting or accidentally altering the unrelated digit, right? So that's what it is, just improving the maintenance. Enhance clarity. Digit separators can help clarify the purpose or meaning of a numeric value. For instance, when we are working with the hexadecimal number, we can separate bytes or nibbles using digit separator. So it is making it easier to identify patterns of the byte boundaries, right? It's not only we are going to use for int, double and long, we can use for the hexadecimal value also. So that's the power of this, CSAF 7.0 digit separates, and it is available in the ever version. Fourth one, alignment with the other programming languages. Digit separators are commonly used in other programming languages like Python or JavaScript. By introducing these features in C Sharp, the language aligned itself with prevailing practice and making it easier for developers to transition between the different languages. So it makes C Sharp alignment with the other programming languages. Okay, now let's switch to the Visual Studio and see the digit separators in action. So here we are on Visual Studio. Here we are going to see the demo of the C Sharp 7.0 digit separator. That what I have done, I have created one console application C Sharp 7 digit separator. that has program.cs. In program.cs file, we have namespace C sharp 7 digit separator. Under that, we have a class named program that has main method, which is an entry point of this application. So here, as a first step, what I have done, I have just printing this C sharp 7.0 digit separator demo because I'm just giving the demo of this concept. So I just want to print it at the top whenever this program is going to get executed. Okay. Now what I have done, I have declare int million, and if you see this value, I have just grouped with the help of underscore, right? So this million value I have divided into three groups. So one group will be having one value, second group will be having 30, and next group will be having next 30, right? And we have separated with the help of digit separator, nothing but the underscore. Similarly, I have done for the double pi also. See the value of the pi, I have used this underscore value for separating this number, right? So 3.14 underscore 15 underscore 92 underscore 65. Similarly, we do have big number. That big number we have separated with the help of underscore, which is nothing but the digit separate, right? So 123 underscore 456 underscore 789 underscore 012 underscore 345. And next statement, what I'm trying to do, I'm just going to print this million, pi, and the big number into the console window. That's what I have written. Console.write line million. This is the million value, pi. This is the pi value, big number. This is the big number. So output would look like something like this: million, this number, pi, this number, big number, this number. And if you notice in this output, we don't have underscore over here. So basically, compiler is going to remove this underscore while using that value. That is the plus point. Okay, so we are not going to get the underscore value into the actual value whenever this compiler is going to read. Okay, let me execute this program and see the output. Okay, so output got appear into this console window. If you see C sharp 7.0 digit separator demo got printed, and then million value. If you see, there is no underscore the million value. Similarly, pi value got printed and there is no underscore value in it. And if you see, there is no underscore in big number. So we have seen the output is just the number without any separator. That's because the separators are solely for enhancing readability during code writing and have no impact on the actual value. So there you have it. So C Sharp 7.0 digit separators provide a simple yet powerful way to make your code more readable and maintainable, especially when dealing with the large number. Now that brings me to end up my session. In this video, we learned that C Sharp digit separators are helpful in improving readability, making our life easy. That's all for this video, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. Thanks for watching. See you next video.